Hey everyone, it's Miss Kramer. I wanted to start before we get into lesson just to say that I wanted to give a little shout out to someone in my first period, Ryan, because he is the one that gave me the idea for my name, J. Kramer Vlogs, and to do this. So just a shout out to him. We have a quiz coming up on composed figures. So I'm just going to show you two composed shapes and how to find the area of them. The one we have up here right now is a trapezoid. Trapezoid has two parallel lines. So it has one set of a parallel lines, which is what makes it a trapezoid. So in class we talked about many different ways to break this up. Okay, one of them being we could break it up this way. So we have a triangle and we have a rectangle. Another way you can break it up is this way. So you have two triangles. It depends on what you prefer. I prefer the rectangle and the triangle, so that's the way I'm going to show you, but either way works. So if we have it this way, we can do the rectangle right here. We can just multiply 12 times 14 to get the rectangle. But to get the triangle, we have to solve for this piece right here. If we know the whole thing, this whole base piece is 22, and up until the tip of the triangle is 14, then we can do 22 minus 14 to get this piece. Okay, so 22 minus 14 gives us this piece, and that's 8. So then to find the area of this triangle, we use our formula for triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. So we'd have for this piece right here, we would have 12 times 8 divided by 2. 12 times 8 is 96. Divided by 2 gives us 48. Okay, 48. So we have 48 there. So now we have to find the area of this rectangle right here. And we know it's a rectangle because these sides are not the same. If it was a square, they'd be the same. So we have 12 times 14, which gives us 168. And then if we add those two together, since we want the area of the whole thing, we have 168 plus 48, which gives us a 216. And since these are in centimeters and we're talking about finding the area, it would be 216 centimeters squared. So this is the first one of a trapezoid. The next one is we just have this composed shape, and it's made up of many rectangles. I don't know why that's not going away. So this one, once again, you can break up in different ways. You kind of just break it up the way you see it, okay? So just because I'm breaking up in a certain way does not mean you have to break it up in a certain way. So I'm going to break it up this way, and then I'm going to find the area of these three. And I just did that because I already have the length and width of these triangles, so I didn't have to solve for them. So if I have the length and width of this triangle already, I can do 12 times 3. That'll give me 36. I have the length and width of this triangle, so I can do 15 times 3, which will give me 45. Now I just have to find the area of this square. And I'm missing a side. I don't know, I'm missing both sides. I don't know what they are yet. So I have this whole thing is 12. And this piece right here and this piece right here is 3. So I can do 12 minus this piece to get this piece. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'll have, nope, not, the area is not 6, sorry. Just this side is 6. This side is 6 right there. So now I have this side, I need to get this side. So I have 15 is this whole piece. This piece is 10, so I can do 15 minus 10 to get this piece, which is 5. Now I have to do 6 times 5 to find the area of this piece. And I'll have 30. And then you add them all together, the 30 plus 36 plus 45, and you'll get 111. And this one is dealing with meters, so it'll be meters squared. So hopefully seeing how I broke this up will help you a little bit tonight. You also have class notes that you could be looking over to do it, and I will see you all tomorrow.